Here I've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to activate gesture navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with icon navigation bar, so here we've got home button, here it's for recents, and here we've got back button. But if you'd like to apply gesture navigation, just go to the settings. Now you can enter in search area navigation. So just click on navigation buttons, and here you can at first change the layout of your button navigation bar, just like that, but also you can activate gesture. So just click here, and from now on you can use gesture navigation bar. So how it works: you can slide right or left, and it's for back, for going back. Then if you would like to go back to your home screen, smoothly slide up, and if you would like to check the recent items, just hold it up, and here you've got all icons. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.